Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Hazrat Bilal, teacher of Pakistan study. Welcome, dear students, to all of you. First of all, you should subscribe the YouTube channel of Peshawar Model School Newshera. This is lecture number 8 of Pakistan study and unit number 1, grade 10. In the previous lecture, I taught you about the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto from 20th December 1971 till 5th July 1977. What step he took in his government, that I taught you in very detail in the lecture number 6 and 7. In the lecture number 8, today we are going to talk about, that is the main topic, the regime of General Ziaul Haq. Regime means the era, the time period of General Ziaul Haq. They were started from 5th July 1977 to 16 August 1988. Let's talk about the background, that how General Ziaul Haq came into power. In 1977, when General Zulfikar Ali Bhutto completed his tenure, he conducted elections in the country in 1977. So in 1977, elections were conducted in two phases. In the first phase, National Assembly elections were conducted, in which the opposition party, 9 political parties were there. They formed an alliance with the name of PNA. That Pakistan National Alliance. At that PNA, there were total 9 political parties, while in the opposition's Pakistan People's Party were alone. That is Pakistan People's Party, and 9 political parties were there. They formed an alliance with the name of Pakistan National Alliance. In that election, they took only 36 seats, while Pakistan People's Party, they got some 137 seats. So Pakistan National Alliance rejected these results, and they started protections against the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. And they also boycotted the coming provincial elections. पूरे मुल्क की एहतजाज उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया, तोड़ फोड़ और हंगामा शुरू की. In that situation, General Ziaul Haq toppled the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and he started another age of martial law in the country. That was started from 5th July 1977 to 16 August 1988. So that was a little bit of background, that how General Ziaul Haq came in the power. That was the third martial law started in the country. The first martial law that was started on 5th October 1958. That was General Ayub Khan. After that, General Yahya Khan, who took the power on 25th March 1969 till 20th December 1971. And that was the third martial law, which was started from 5th July 1977 to 16 August 1988. Now, when he came into power, what he did in the country, what step he took in the country, that steps we are going to discuss one by one. Here, that is in your page number 9 and page number 10, that is the regime of General Ziaul Haq. That is your book of grade 10. You can open your book and come to page number 9. What step he took here? The first step, that after taking his power, he promised elections within the country within the 90 days. Means that when he came in the power, he promised the nation that I will conduct free and fair election within the 90 days. क्यों उन्होंने सबसे पहले इलेक्शंस की बात की? क्योंकि इन्हीं इलेक्शंस की बुनियाद पर ही वो मुल्क में आए थे कि जो पाकिस्तान नेशनल अलायंस में जो 9 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने एहतजाज किया था, तो इसी वजह से इस बात को मद्देनजर रखते हुए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही टॉक अबाउट द इलेक्शन. गॉट इट? आफ्टर दैट ही impose bans mean पाबंदी लगाए on the freedom and all the political activities. मुल्क में जितने भी सियासी जलसे थे, जितनी भी गैदरिंग थी, जितने भी जो हैं सहाफ़ी गवर्नमेंट के ख़िलाफ़ लिखते हैं, बोलते हैं, इन तमाम चीज़ों पर जो है जनरल ज़ियाउल हक ने पाबंदी लगा दी. Got it, students? After that, in October 1977, he postponed the election. Which कौन से election? That election about he talked that I will conduct these elections within the 90 days. ये वाले इलेक्शन जो है in October 1977 उन्होंने इसको पोस्टपोन कर दिया. And he started accountability of the politicians, कि मुल्क में जितने भी सियासतदानों ने जो गवर्नमेंट की है, उनका एहतसाब मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ, इनसे हिसाब किताब ले रहा हूँ. Got it? In March 1978, the Lahore High Court found guilty Zulfikar Ali Bhutto in the murder of Nawab Muhammad Ahmad Khan. ये एक सिटीजन थे, लीडर थे, जो इनका ताल्लुक बलूचिस्तान से था. किसी ने इनका मर्डर किया था कत्ल किया था। तो जनरल ज़ियाउल हक ने जो इसका इल्ज़ाम जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो पर लगा दिया और जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो को लाहौर हाई कोर्ट ने सज़ा सुनाई दी मार्च 1978 में। Zulfikar Ali Bhutto also appealed in the Supreme Court of Pakistan against this decision, but the Supreme Court also maintained the decision, and on 5th April 1979, Bhutto was hanged. Got it? After that, in July 1978, General Ziaul Haq formed a civilian cabinet. Cabinet se murad cabinet, a group of ministers to the president or the prime minister is known as cabinet, in which he also took some of the members from the PNA. को PNA पाकिस्तान नेशनल अलायंस में जितने भी अपोजिशन पार्टीज थे उनसे कुछ मेंबरान and some of the members were also included from the Muslim League. जिस तरह जो है हेल्थ मिनिस्टर है, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर है, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है, फॉरेन मिनिस्टर है, ये दीज आर ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर टू द प्रेसिडेंट और प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज नोन एज कैबिनेट. गॉट इट? In September 1978, he declared himself as a president. Before that, he was a chief martial law administrator. So, in September 1978, he also declared himself as a president. In 1979 and 80s, he issued an order, a presidential order issued that is known as also Ordinance Zakat Ushur and Hudud. Zakat कि जितने भी बैंक्स में लोगों के डिपॉजिट्स पड़े होते हैं, बैंकों को जो है इख्तियार दे दिया कि आप 2.5% के हिसाब से इसको से ज़कात डिडक्ट करके कौमी ख़जाने में जमा करवा दो. उशर अरबी ज़ुबान का लफ्ज़ है जिस 10वां हिस्से हैं. जितने भी फसल आपकी जो है पैदावार होती है इसमें इस्लामी तौर पर आप इसका 10वां हिस्सा जो है वो ज़कात दें. हदूद जो है ये हद की जमा है, लिमिट. ही आल्सो फिक्स सर्टन लिमिट्स फॉर सर्टन एक्स. कई एक सज़ाएँ मुकर्रर कर दी कई एक जराइम के लिए. तो उन्होंने एक कानून मुल्क में लागू कर दिया कि भाई आप लोगों ने जो है 10वां हिस्सा आपने फसल पे ज़कात देने हैं, और कई एक जराइम के लिए उन्होंने सज़ाएँ मुकर्रर कर दी. गॉट इट? After that, in September 1979, he also conducted local government elections. Now, what is local government? I also taught you in very detail in class 9 that what is meant by the local government. Local government means to manage local affair by local elected representative at the local level is called local government. जिस तरह हमारे ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट नाज़िम है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर डिस्ट्रिक्ट नाज़िम है, यूनियन काउंसिल के लेवल पर नाज़िम और इनके साथ जो काउंसलर वगैरह हैं, ये जो लोकल मामलात को चलाते हैं, जिस तरह आपकी हेल्थ सर्टिफिकेट, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट, अटेस्टेशन वगैरह, गली कुचियों के काम काज जो है आपके लोकल सतह पर करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज लोकल गवर्नमेंट. सो दैट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द कंट्री इन सितंबर 1979 बाय जनरल ज़ियाउल हक. गॉट इट? आफ्टर दैट इन मार्च 1981 when he came in the power, he also suspended the 1973 constitution. 1973 constitution को मुअत्तल किया था. In March 1981 he gave a provisional constitution order. A provisional constitution order you also studied in class 9, just like General Muhammad Yahya Khan LFO legal framework order. एक उबूरी constitution मुल्क को दे दिया कि इस constitution के तहत हम मुल्क को चला सकें. Got it? In December 1984 he conducted referendum in the country. A referendum, what is mean by referendum? किसी भी करंट इश्यूज पर आवाम की राय ले लेना कि भाई आप इस काम को चाहते हैं, yes or no. That is known as a referendum. So he conducted a referendum in the country. Do you want me as a president for the next 5 years? And he declared that the people of Pakistan voted in favor of me and overwhelming majority. भारी अक्सरियत से उन्होंने अपने आप को जो है वो प्रेसिडेंट डिक्लेयर किया कि पाकिस्तान के अवाम ने मुझे भारी अक्सरियत से यस में जवाब दिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नाउ डिक्लेयरिंग माई सेल्फ एज अ प्रेसिडेंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years. After that, he conducted elections on 28 February and 25 February. दो फेजेस में कौमी असम्बली के 1 तारीख को और 3 दिन बाद जो है प्रोविंशियल असम्बलीज के इलेक्शन उन्होंने कंडक्ट करवाए थे. 1985 में नॉन पार्टी बेस मीन्स कि कोई भी कैंडिडेट किसी पार्टी से खड़ा नहीं होगा, आज़ाद हैसियत में खड़ा हो जाएगा. And in these elections on March 20th, 1985, Muhammad Khan Junejo became the prime minister. So from here a new era of government was also started, and in December 30th, 1985 he declare the end of martial law, and he declared himself as a civilian president for the next 5 years. Now, what step he took for the Islamization in the country, that we will discuss inshallah in the coming video. Thank you.